Got sent a load of plumbing gear today. Let's see if any of it's any good. Jelly beans. Very nice. Use a lot of these Turbo 88 adjustable duo flush siphons. They fit in most toilet cisterns, although I did come across one yesterday that this was slightly too big for. That's where this compact adjustable siphon comes in, Turbo Edge. Let's have a little look and see. In comparison, it's got the gubbins there. Now that is a compact siphon. That would have definitely fit in that toilet cistern yesterday. So I'll be using that soon. Now, compact float valve. Again, not used one of these, but that is most definitely a compact valve. I imagine that will fit in most toilet cisterns. Adjustable. Feels solid as well. Now, cable siphon. Valve mate now included. Not sure what that is, but I will be giving it a try. Retrofits Dudley Victoria. Right, let's have a little look at that. That must be the valve mate, which is included in it. That is a nice dual flush cable siphon. Seems pretty solid. Very good. Adjustable overflow, like so. Nice. Summer coming up, don't think I'll be needing that. Let's hope not. Anyway, Epsom basin waste. What are these like? This, very good. Leak-free basin mate. Heard a lot about these. Not used one yet, but I've been looking forward to it. So that is a nifty little basin waste. I believe this one's a swivel style, and then I've got the slotted clicker, mushroom sprung, flipper. Very good. Again, got the basin mate there. Leak free, supposedly. Don't think there's such thing in plumbing, but I'll certainly try it out. Mushroom style clicker. These are the best in my opinion, apart from a plug and chain. And an O-ring box, which will probably have 4 O-rings that I'll ever actually use out of it. Very kind of them to send it to me. So stay tuned, and I'll put all this to use very soon.